One.
Good morning, Ms. Roxame Alba.
Good morning, Madam. I'm Roxame Alba, 28 years old, single parents with 2 kids. I'm graduate high school. About my working experience, I work in Qatar as domestic helper for 1 year almost.
What are the duties and responsibilities of a domestic helper?
The duties and responsibilities of a domestic helper are cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, taking care of children, car washing, and taking care of pets.
What do you think the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
For me, the right attitude and characteristic of a domestic helper is hardworking, honest, obedient, and respectful.
Can you tell us the proper way of taking care of newly born baby and children?
The proper way of taking care of newborn baby is to always check baby's needs, always looking after the baby, feeding and changing the diaper. About the children, always check and attend the children needs, preparing food for them, and